Krishna everyone, Mila here. In today's video I would like to share few Ekadashi recipes. Ekadashi is very important day in the Hindu calendar. It falls always on the 11th day after Amavasya and after Purnima, and for those who want to advance in spiritual life, it is very important that we follow this day. Usually I always follow Ekadashi, and I have made one video where I explain why it is important to follow Ekadashi, and I will link that video down below in the description. Now in Switzerland, Ekadashi, the next Ekadashi is on the 21st, and in India is on the 20th, but please do check your calendar, but I believe it's on one day before Europe. तो चलो शुरू करता है. First important thing is that we wipe the surface of the kitchen just in case there is some hidden grain from the day before. First, let's make a pumpkin soup. I will cut some pumpkin and few potatoes. Next, we will make Sabudana khichdi. For this, we have to rinse 1 cup of tapioca. In another pot, I put 4 cups of water. I will add some Himalaya salt and oil. As you can see, this bottle is new. I always use new bottle for Ekadashi, or I have a special bottle of oil that I use only for Ekadashi because the other one might be with some grains around. Okay, now the Sabudana has been cooking for 10 minutes. I will just now drain. In meantime, let's prepare for the chonk or the tatka. We will need cumin, fresh chili, ginger, curry pata, and about half boiled potatoes. And in these 5 minutes, while the tapioca is still cooking, let's blend the soup. Next I will make salad, lettuce with little bit of carrot, drizzle some olive oil and lemon. I would also like to add in the salad little walnuts. Just crush them. So at the end we add fresh coriander. Mix well and it's ready. Yeah, actually I think I never told you the story with the coriander. When I started getting so much in love with Indian kitchen, I ate everything and anything, all spices except coriander, fresh coriander. Somehow the smell, I didn't like it at all. And always, like, my friend would make dokla and I would put away the coriander and all the preparations like that I would avoid with coriander, until one day my friend, she's Indian, she said, Mila, how you don't like fresh coriander when actually, you know, in India everybody's in love with fresh coriander, so you're not pure Indian, you know. She was teasing me. And then from that day on I was like, actually she's right, I should learn to love coriander. So that day she made dokla with coriander on the top and I started eating it, and actually I was like, it is tasty. It was just the smell, because I can sense how the food tastes according to the smell, and somehow the smell of the coriander and the taste at that time didn't click with me. But when I tried the taste of fresh coriander, I never ever stopped eating. So in every dish I cook, I put fresh coriander and I absolutely love it. Okay, now we made the soup, the khichdi and the salad, so let's offer to Sri Krishna. Ten recommend, is so good, I promise you. Please do try this recipe this coming Ekadashi and let me know down below in the comments how did it go. दिखाने के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद. जल्दी फिर मिलेंगे. हरे कृष्णा, शुभ रात्रि, राधे राधे.